Hello, my gorgeous, amazing babes, and welcome back to the Bad Bitch Academy. It's your girl, Amber the Baddie, and I am here in a cute little sexy devil's costume, first of all, titties looking nice, to talk about my new masterclass, Stripper 101, 5K in 5 days. I just finished recording this masterclass and I am so excited to share this with you guys because I know that whoever the fuck watches this masterclass is about to make so much fucking money. I can feel it already and it feels so good. So I just want to talk about what the fuck this masterclass is all about and spill all the juicy details for you. So let's get into it, okay? Now, first of all, this masterclass is for all of my beginner stripper babes, okay? Either you have not started working at the club yet, or you have, and it's not going as well as you thought it would. This masterclass is for you. And my intention for this masterclass is for it to be that first step that really just gives you all of the tools that you need to get started and to start making money. So I'm going to go over a little bit of what I talk about in my masterclass. So first, I talk about Strip Club 101 and I answer a lot of frequently asked questions. And these are things like, how does a strip club work? What is a lap dance? What is a VIP? How do I get paid? What's a house fee? Tipping systems and all of that. Then I talk about the ground rules and the mindset tips that you need in order to thrive and succeed as a dancer. These are so important because these are very simple mistakes that I see way too many baby strippers messing up on and therefore losing out on just thousands and thousands of dollars. Next, I talk about how to find your club, how to audition and get hired on the spot, what do you need to bring, and what you can expect from your audition. After that, I get into creating your stripper alter ego. Now, I like to believe that your personality is your superpower, it is your secret special sauce, but, do not forget that as strippers, we're here to fulfill a fantasy. And a lot of times it can be hard for us to show up at the club, especially if we're not used to asking for so much money and having to put ourselves out there. And really having a stripper alter ego is a beautiful way to have a new persona that you want to step into, having a new set of beliefs and thoughts and actions that this stripper alter ego does that you can literally just bloop, jump into while you're at work. After that, we talk about the art of seduction and giving customers an amazing experience that is going to have them giving you all of their fucking money. Speaking of money, don't think that I would leave out giving some money-making tips, how to approach customers and ask for dances, how to have conversations in a sexy way that is not gonna put you in the friend zone. I see too many girls talking about work and the weather and politics, and that just doesn't get men horny and ready to spend their money, and they end up friend zoning themselves. So I talk about how to up the sexual energy, how to have sexy conversations, and how to get these guys to want to spend thousands on you in the VIP, how to tip you, how to ask for large tips, and how to actually fucking get them. I even teach you how to read the room, how to know which customers to talk to, who are going to be the customers that will give you money, how can you just read the vibe of the room and set yourself up where you literally have a line of people waiting to get dances from you. And then lastly, we talk about boundaries, how to stay safe, how to protect yourself in and out of the club, and just some overall safety tips that are really going to help you as a dancer. So that is really the juice of what this masterclass is about. It is an hour and 22 minutes. I literally just finished recording it, and wow, I wish I had this when I was first starting out because I would have been making so much more money by now. It's crazy. It is so jam-packed with value. And This masterclass is only $111, and I purposely wanted to make something that was at a lower price range because I know for a lot of you baby strippers, you don't have that much money. You are just starting out and you already have to invest in outfits, shoes, makeup, nails, eyelashes, all of the things. So I wanted to make this at a price point where anybody can afford it, where any of you can learn these amazing tips that are going to take you from $200 nights to $500 or $1,000 nights plus consistently on a daily fucking basis. My nightly average is $1,000 a night, sometimes over, of course, sometimes lower, but on average, I would say about $1,000. And that's because I implement all of these fucking tips that I teach you in this masterclass. So I'm gonna have more information on my masterclass below in the description. Now, some of you might have heard me talk about my empowered stripper course, and now I've got my masterclass. So what is the difference? If you're on the fence, you don't know which one you would like to go for, let me tell you. So the masterclass, like I said, it's that first step to get you started, get you making money. It's an hour and 20 minutes, so much value packed into it. Whereas my stripper course is a self-paced course where I go fucking deep. There is no stone left unturned. I have over 45 videos. I think probably like more than 10 hours of content in this course. I've got meditations, affirmations, journal prompts, workbooks, and dance classes even. So there is so much more. That is really the ultimate course for women who are wanting to really scale and hit 6 figures or more as a stripper. Everything in this masterclass is in the empowered stripper course, except in way more detail. So if you know that you're like, fuck it, I am ready to just go balls deep and start making money, I say fuck it, just go straight to doing my empowered stripper course. But if you are just not that well financially right now, you're still figuring things out, you want to take it a step at a time, then the Stripper 101 5K in 5 days masterclass is for you, and you will always have the option to invest in the full course at a later time. So those are my two offers. I really suggest that you sign up for the stripper course. It is literally only $111, and I fucking guarantee you it's going to make you thousands. I'm not even kidding, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So it really is a no-brainer for any of you who are thinking about becoming a stripper. You will make your money back in the first day, if not the first hour. So really, it should be a no-brainer. Like, by investing in your knowledge, you are just going to skyrocket so much. So once again, I will have all the information down in the description. I love you so much. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Please subscribe, turn those notifications on, and I will see you in the next video.